Welcome to the HONOR X5c channel. Today I'll show you the screen recording resolution on the HONOR X5c Plus. So first go to settings, just scroll down from the top right corner, press the settings button, and scroll down to accessibility and features, and go to screen recording. Now go to video quality. And here are three options you can choose from: 1080p, 720p, and 480p. Multiply that number to the phone resolution ratio, and you will get your complete screen recording. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HONOR X5c channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.